We got everything?
Do we?
Camera, check.
Yep.
Tripod, check.
Yep.
Money, check.
Yep.
Phone, check.
Yep.
Boyfriend, check.
Not a check, by the way.
No.
I think she's saying I am invaluable, guys. I think that's what she's saying. Boom. What is up, guys? It's Corn and
Miriam.
what's your nickname, doofus?
Mimi.
All right. Oh, it's black, babe. All right, there. We got some light.
Keys?
Yeah. Check.
Oh, check.
Keys. Check. The one thing that we can't
we
go
need.
without. What? Oh my God, babe! You're always trying to fall.
You stepped on my
You
shoe.
stepped on my shoe.
Oh my God.
All right, so about to do a food. Is it McBang, McGang, McStrang, McFlang?
I don't know if it's a mukbang or a mukbang.
I don't know either. But we're both really indecisive. I'm more indecisive than she is when it comes to food, I think.
Me?
True, cause she'll be like, I'll be like, babe, what do you want to eat?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah. You're so annoying.
Same.
All right, so we'll be right back with our food choices. Look at the sunset though, guys. The perks of living in the zone. Not a good cameraman like my girlfriend is. Wait, babe, were you trying to say that you're a man?
What?
What?
I didn't say anything.
Honey.
Am I driving or you're driving?
You drive my nerves. That's a good enough driving, honestly.
Thanks.
I'm just kidding. All right, guys, we'll be right back with our food and conversation. So we're back. Peace. You're annoying. Wait, it's all right. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
What's
3
up?
hours later, we're back. All right, so it's your boy Corn.
Medium.
And we have guests. Guys, we have guests. All right, I'm so excited. All right, introduce yourselves.
I'm Yoey.
This is Mimi's sister.
And I'm Gilberto.
That's her brother.
I'm Nicole.
That's his
girlfriend.
All right, cool. All right, we about to start the mukbang, gang, food,
bang,
Alright, so during this video, first off, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, smash like, smash subscribe. Comment down below the next food you guys want us to eat. We'll all eat together. Now, during this video, we're gonna do Q&A. Excuse the fried chicken in the back and all this dang food. They decided to go at the last minute. Bro. Alright, so during this video, we're gonna do Q&A. We're just basically gonna be eating, asking each other fun questions, funny questions like,
Are you a
titties.
man?
Am I a man? Checks. Checks. Alright, so we're gonna dive in because we're all really hungry.
We already prayed. We have
Alright.
wings and
Guys,
fries
no, you can't forget the
Oh, don't
parents
forget
and the salary.
and ranch.
ranch!
And of course he wants to be
Extra. I got pep.
Dr. Mountain Dew.
Dr.
It looks
Mountain
green up
Dew.
in that shit. What's up?
Dr. Mountain Dew. I ain't never heard that. Whoever said this, alright, we about to dive in. Let's eat. Oh,
Let's rub.
yes. Boom, bang, clap.
Big bet.
Oh.
These are mine and mediums.
Alright, well, I got 20 myself.
Hey.
I got 20 to myself for real, G.
Well,
Alright.
that's what you have to share with your girlfriend. We're looking
True,
for the
huh?
drum.
Alright, so who's asking the first question?
I'm asking the first question.
Alright, who's your question going to?
Kid.
Oh, you got white stuff on your mouth. Who you let in your mouth? You got napkins? Y'all got napkins?
Alright, so what's your question? Well,
how did you and your girlfriend Nicole meet?
Oh, Nicole!
Alright, so y'all want the truth?
Yeah.
You don't want the truth?
We honestly, yeah.
Wait, hold on. No cussing. And try to keep it family friendly,
Alright,
please.
so we
PG-13.
met on Facebook. I don't know, she randomly added me. And then we started talking. Yeah, we started talking.
Hey.
After we started talking, I was talking to her and my ex.
Boy!
And with my ex, her conversation was dry as a motherfucker. And with her, there was a whole lot of emojis.
Oh.
So I saw the difference and who
And you liked
actually
it.
cared. Yeah.
He said, I like
And then I
this
gave her a
attention,
try.
baby.
And he's a clown.
You right?
Here, Yoli.
So technically, I shot my shot and scored.
Yeah.
Aww. Score. Congratulations. Can I get another paper towel? No. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I got you.
I need one. Just one. Alright, who has the next question?
Alright, let's do it since whoever gets
Whoever
asked.
we ask the next question.
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, who's your question? Go
Alright.
Thank you. Oh, just mine.
Corn.
What's up?
How did you meet Miriam?
Oh, alright. That. Alright, so originally, it's kind of like a crazy story in a way. So originally we met through one of our mutual friends, Tommy. Shout out to Tommy for being Cupid. Alright, so originally we met through Tommy. And so fast forward, we met through Tommy, we were friends for a little bit. And then she said something, or we got to this really big argument, and we stopped talking for a year straight. There was no contact for a year straight. So then she added me back, and then we started talking, we apologized,
She
hey,
shot a shot.
oh my god. She shot her shot. She shot her shot, so we both apologized. And yeah, you want to tell your side of the story? Oh, we did the kangaroo.
What?
Whatever that is.
Right?
What's the kangaroo?
What's the kangaroo, babe?
Oh, you know.
Oh, you know.
It's rated R.
The hokey pokey. Not how we met. Babe, what's your side of the story?
Well, how we met.
Oh, yeah. Alright, Yoli. Yep. My question.
Gosh. I don't even know if I want to bite this wing yet.
Alright, so my question to you is...
Wait. I just want to say that we do eat to the bone. We're not like other people and leave chicken.
This is how you eat weed.
We're normal.
None of that shit.
Look.
Nothing.
Okay, go babe. Left a little bit on mine.
Me too.
She's not normal. She's not normal. Alright, Yoli. So my question is, at what point in your life did you stop?
Did you know? I'm just kidding.
Did you know what?
Bug dead. I'm just kidding. You want to ask another question?
What's your favorite color?
Or
I
colors.
have two.
Okay.
Black and purple.
Black and purple. Alright.
Yeah. Like all shades of purple. I think they're really pretty. And black just goes with everything.
Cool.
Go ahead. Oh, I gotta ask a question now.
Yeah. Nicole, feel free to ask the question too.
Okay. Nicole.
It's over.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Oh, shenanigans.
That's a good one.
Ooh.
Like, materialistically or
Life-wise.
individually?
Life-wise.
Yeah. She got a good hair on her shoulders. I want to hear this.
Now, when you say that, is she a male or a female? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, dude. I'm just playing.
Beautiful.
I see myself as a certified natural esthetician.
Oh,
Probably working in a spa
time out.
or a dermatologist.
Explain to the
clinic.
people, what's an esthetician is this?
An esthetician is a person who studies natural aesthetics such as face masks, microdermabrasion, body wraps. There's a number and source of stuff.
It's goodness for
She
your
takes
skin.
care of me every way.
Oh. Alright. Alright. Here you go, tea.
It's goodness for your
Hey,
skin.
yeah. That's what I was gonna say. For my skin.
Alright. Let's go.
Or what else were you saying before you were being interrupted?
Don't worry about it.
By the hooligans.
But yeah, I see myself being certified, working somewhere nice, making good quality money, and probably having my own place by then, hopefully.
Nice.
Nice, I like it.
I like it. Alright, ask your question. Aim and shoot.
How is everybody's food right now?
Ooh,
Good.
good.
Are you full?
Almost.
Delicious. That means I can get a shrimp.
No.
No
No.
comment. I'm gonna
Aw.
just keep eating my wing.
Me too.
What is this?
Angus steak.
Angus?
Yes, Angus steak.
Hold on, I want some of your comments.
It's kind of dry, honestly.
It's kind of dry there a lot.
Yeah, the one right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like they burn it.
Yeah, it's not burnt, but it's just dry.
Yeah.
Like, as if I would need some.
Like it was just been sitting there.
Yeah, yeah. Alright. Nicole, you really didn't ask nobody a question.
Just everybody.
Alright.
So that means whoever wants to ask another question
Go
can.
Miriam.
Bet. Alright.
Well, I'm the one that started it.
Oh, yeah, huh?
So go win.
It's rotation, homie.
No.
Alright. Yoli, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Truthfully.
I think nobody better ask me that question.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know about your future?
No. Okay,
Me
so
neither.
right now, I'd be blessed if I see another day.
And hallelujah.
Hold on.
Hallelujah.
So the way my life is right now, kind of crappy. I just got a job.
Done.
Thank God.
Amen.
In 5 years, honestly, I just want to be stable in my job and have a stable place for me and my kids so they have everything they need and want. That's it.
Alright.
Don't cry. And don't cry.
I'm not crying.
Yeah. Alright, Yoli. Aim and shoot.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Wait, me or her?
You.
Or it? No, I'm just kidding.
You.
I'm it.
I love you.
I love you, he said.
Oh, I can't say that.
Yeah, her the camera. 5 years? I don't even know, honestly. Like, no, I'm just kidding.
So I mean, you and me, I'm just gonna be living dead.
Heck no,
day by
I
day.
always have a plan or something like that.
Or
That's
something.
her I'll be worried about. I'm like, alright. Well, what just happened? They just dropped this lip. In 5 years from now, I'll probably still be in school, honestly. Like, I'm thinking about going to school. The way that, like, I have it set up, like, I want to do so much. Like, at least in one area, like, I want to get my doctorate. So, let's say, for instance, if I'm going to school for kinesiology, I would want to minor in, like, nutrition or psychology. And kinesiology is basically, like, study of, like, human movement and, like, the body. And then I relate that to, like, fitness and how athletes move, or just, like, general population, or how older, like, senior citizens move. So I definitely want to get my doctorate in, like, either one of those areas. I think also 5 years from now, I might or might not be married, depending on, like, how life goes. Because I mean, school and trying to plan a wedding, I've seen people doing. I'm like, I would not want to do that.
Comedian?
Yes,
I'm just kidding.
obviously. So who else?
You tell me.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when the 4.5 year mark.
We
is.
hope so.
No, I'm just kidding. It's just difficult, and so, yeah. 5 years I'll probably be in school. Why are you eating my? There's literally
Think that one.
Oh man. But yeah.
Why can't you just be nice?
Because I'm always mean, accordingly.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll probably have a house.
You guys, I've had red on my shirt the whole time. Nobody tells me anything.
Because you're blessed.
And we don't care. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's that. No, stop, you're not taking my shrimp. So I'll
Okay,
probably
cool.
be in school, or married, or have a house, one of three.
This boy is worse about his shrimp than his chicken.
For real. Can I just have a piece?
Okay, so
Was that so hard?
Yes, honestly.
Corn had just asked me a question and I asked him one. So instead of having Corn go again, how long?
I don't want it.
I'll throw this on your shirt.
Okay, just ignore me.
Alright.
Oh wait, what's happening?
I said, since you asked me a question and I asked you one, instead of you asking another one, how about we have Miriam ask a question?
Oh yeah.
Or do you want to ask another question to somebody?
No, alright, ask a question.
Go ahead.
No, I have no questions to ask.
Nobody's asked me a question. That's not fair.
No, we have.
No.
Oh no? Oh, alright, cool, bet.
That's a question.
So, how did you know that I was the one? Oh, I might not be the one, by the way.
You know when
She
they
just
ask you if you're
froze.
okay? I'm just kidding. That one video. I knew he was the one when I would go over to his house on the weekends as friends, and I never wanted to leave
Aww.
Yeah, but why didn't you want to leave, though?
because I felt at home when I was with you. Like if it was like it's my safe place.
Because home is a person, not a place.
Yeah.
What's the science? No, I'm just kidding.
How did you know I was the one?
Now, is that your question directed towards me
Yeah.
or the floor?
You.
Alright.
How did you know I was the one?
It's
I'm just
not,
kidding.
it's not.
Well, you know,
Oh my god, I knew it.
you kind of just were forced into my life.
To be honest.
Okay, go ahead.
I kinda knew you were the. No, I'm just kidding.
Kind of knew.
I was like, I knew you were the one when. That's a really good question. There's so many thoughts. It's like, oh man, like, how do you like really know? I kind of just knew, honestly. Like, there's no, oh, like, home is where you were. But I mean, which is all true. But I mean, like, as a man, you kind of just know. You literally just know, like, this is it. This is who I want to spend the rest of my life with. Or this is who, like, I really love, who I really cherish, who I would put my life before, who I would literally just die for, like, at an instant.
Oíste,
And so,
young lady.
so it's like, I kind of just knew, like, I just knew. And, like, a lot of people don't see, like, how we were best friends for 6 years and just spent those 6 years arguing and building and forgiving and loving on each other. But now people start to see the fruit of, like, the
You're a
6
fruit?
You're an idiot. people see the fruit of our relationship. Like, privately, yes, like, of course we're gonna get into it. We're like any other couple, like, who just has problems and who get disagreements. But I think with those disagreements, that's where your love becomes a lot stronger with the person that you're with.
She told me the same thing
What did I
yesterday.
say?
So, like, it doesn't matter how much we disagree or how many arguments we get into, whether it's over a small thing or this over just, like, something, like, gigantic. At the end of the day, like, as long as I can lay my head down and say that I fully love her with all my heart and I know I can't live without her, then at that point I'm like, all right, cool, like, I can kiss you on the cheek at night and I can wake up tomorrow. And who knows, to everybody out there, like, you guys don't have to talk about the argument like right then and there. Like, it can be a next day or a couple days after when everything's semi-calm and you guys are both in like a good mental and emotional space. Then I feel like sometimes it's kind of like the best way to do it, so that way it doesn't fester into something much more bigger than it already is. Or, excuse me, let's say you get into another disagreement and it just boom, like everything from that previous argument just came to be about. And it's like, oh, where did that come from? You never saw it in the first place. So I think coming from like our experiences, like it's better sometimes to either wait a couple hours and then talk about it, or just talk about it the next day of the date after that. But going back to my original question, I kind of just knew.
Okay.
Sorry, sorry. I went on.
No, yeah, it's okay, yeah.
But yeah, I kind of just knew. Like, I knew when I looked into your eyes, I was like,
that was deep, man.
that's it. Wow. See,
No.
I'm not the
Alright,
one
no,
anymore.
no, sorry. I wanted you to look into my eyes and not give me a kiss.
Oh, so you want me to kiss you no more?
Yeah, you over here fifth wheeling and shit.
Okay, so another question. Yoli.
Yoli.
Yeah, what? Huh?
Not you want a YOLO? No, I'm just kidding. Hit it with a deep question. Like, bam.
Bam.
Oh my god.
Was that a good question?
So, you make me so mad.
What is one of your funniest memories that you have with somebody in this room?
Yo. The R. Kelly meme.
You know which one.
I don't want you to say it.
Hold on, no, actually, it was that one time when we were at Knott's Berry Farm. And I said something really funny, but we don't remember what the hell it was.
That was so funny, we couldn't remember it, bro.
That's so mean.
You remember though?
I was weak.
I was weak.
We were sitting there waiting for a roller coaster. We were in line. I don't know what the heck we were talking about, but I said some funny stuff. On the way back home, we're like, what did I say? I don't remember.
Yeah,
the whole 7 hours back home.
Dang.
We try to figure out. It's been years. I still don't remember.
That's insane, honestly. Yeah, I'm done eating that shit. I think for once I'm actually done.
You ate all this shrimp?
Why'd you give me your orange chicken?
Because orange chicken. Alright, Yoli.
Oh.
You got Sprite?
Yeah, but it's flat.
But it's flat. What?
Oh,
What?
the 5-year question.
No.
Yeah.
Not everybody has to be asked that question. No.
Yeah.
No.
It was gonna
yeah.
be something like that, but not 5 years.
No, don't ask.
I want to know what your like dream job or career is, and why.
Ow, I forgot I got my nose pierced.
I honestly don't know. When I graduate, I'm gonna get a job. I'm gonna help mom. And once I help mom, I'm gonna go to Pima. 2 years,
You know for what?
ROTC. So when I go to the Marines, I start up 4 ranks up as an officer. And I can get promoted faster through the 8 to 12 years I want to serve.
So you want to join the Marines?
Yeah,
Why?
I just always wanted to do that as a kid.
Do you think that, I know this is a lot of questions, but it's because I wanted to know why. Do you think that our cousins joining the Marines kind of influenced you, kind of looked up to them?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
And if you don't go to the Marines, what would you want to do?
That's good.
Make bread.
How?
Okay, now you say make bread, like actual eating bread or money bread?
Money bread.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna work at a bakery.
Ooh, they make good money at a bakery.
Make fake bread to make real bread.
Well,
Making both bread.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna do.
I'll eat the bread too.
same.
Starting a business.
He's gonna start a business.
Oh,
We gonna start a bread business.
it's gonna be the bitnit. And when they come and see, it's gonna say, "Steak your bitnit." Steak your bitnit bakery.
Say your best. Oh, boy. Alright, Nicole.
Alright.
I touched it. Oh, I'm gonna screw it. It's over there.
I was putting forward.
We are too big to be
Yeah,
shoulder
right.
to shoulder like that.
You're right.
Go ahead.
State your business.
State the question.
Alright, well,
State the question.
what do you think of me and my family, Nicole?
Right. Answer careful.
I felt really welcome when I first met you guys, and I still feel very welcome. I kind of feel like the comfortability is becoming more, and you guys are all, each one of you guys have your own personality, and you guys are all funny. That's how I know that you guys are related.
Facts. Facts.
And you guys
Except
are
me.
chill, and I hadn't have to worry because I know there's always gonna be food and shit. You know what I mean? Because we're all Mexican. And
I prefer to be black. Just kidding, I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
But like I said, we all have our own uniqueness to us and our own individual personality, and I think it's spot on.
That's accurate. That's real good, Nicole. You got a good head on your shoulders. Good job, Phil.
You're very
Good job, Phil.
Alright.
That's a good one.
Hey. Ask the
Oh
question.
yeah, I gotta ask a question, my bad.
I was about to say the same thing.
If you could have any car in the world, what would you drive?
Oh.
Hold on a second. Between an RX-7
Why did I know you were gonna say that?
and a Pagani's on the R's.
And I also knew that one.
But if I think about it, I'd rather
I thought
have
it
an
was a Pagani
RX-7.
on the RX.
No. The RX is the RX-7. I'd rather have an RX-7 because not only can it go fast, but it can fly and turn at the speed of light.
It's fast.
Wait, it fly?
Flash fast?
Wait, does it
Like
literally
real
fly or does it like fly speed? Speed fly.
Fly, speed, fly.
I don't think they put wings on a car yet.
Alright.
Now I'm curious, what's everybody's car?
Yeah, me
That
too.
they want, like their
What
favorite.
about that's the next question?
Alright. Alright. Which way are we going? No, I think
This
you
way.
should go.
You can go.
Alright, so my two cars honestly would be a Tesla, or actually three. A Tesla, like the newest model that just came out, a BMW X5, or a Mercedes, like bandwagon, or I forgot how, like one of those little light
A
wagons.
G-Wagon?
G-Wagon, yeah, there we go. A G-Wagon, like a Mercedes
Fancy.
G-Wagon. Those are my top three cars.
Luxurious.
So then why were we test driving a X5?
A BMW X5? Because he said an X5 in that list.
Oh, you said X5?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
That's the second
I
car.
said BMW X5. I said
Oh, I
Tesla.
thought he said something else for
X5.
BMW.
He just didn't say BMW, he said
Yeah,
X5.
X5, yeah.
What Mercedes did we test drive?
I can't remember.
Maybe a 645.
What's your cars?
645i BMW.
Miriam kind of struggles
Honestly,
with this
okay, like,
question.
I honestly
One with four wheels, because I know nothing about cars.
honestly, okay, I think she would go with the X5, but at a different dealership. Because so the BMW dealership that we went to, like, we really like didn't have the experience like we had at the Mercedes dealership. So when we went to go test drive a Mercedes, like the lady like who helped us sat in the back, and we got to sat in the front and like kind of like test drive the car and everything.
We got to
versus,
sat in the front.
and versus at the,
And they actually let him drive. And he doesn't have a license, so
Hey, thanks for telling the world I don't have.
you're welcome.
Oh, what's
Hey, he has license of God.
Thank you, Yoli. Since all four cars are here,
All four tires, I said.
whatever.
4 tires.
Just 4 tires?
I need a car with 4 tires, yes.
Like mine out there? It has 4
That
tires.
actually runs, okay.
So it needs an engine, a battery, gas,
Transmission,
Alright, well,
everything?
fluids, air condition.
Okay. Ooh, air conditioning. Okay, so my most favorite car in the whole wide world. Shut up. A Dodge Challenger Hellcat.
slapped you with a difference you didn't know.
Yeah, that's good. I also want a truck too.
And I also really like the Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. And I want a pearl white one. And the Challenger is gonna be matte black or gray, like the charcoal gray.
My RX-7 is gonna look like Hans from Tokyo Drift. I'm gonna pay an extra 100,000 for that shit. That's how much it costs for an RX-7.
That's loud, dude.
That's a lot of money.
Right, yeah.
That's a lot of
Cars
money.
are expensive.
Yeah, no, for real.
You're telling us.
Alright, so top 3
Oh,
favorites.
you're asking all the questions now?
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You know how hard it is to think of
It
questions?
really is, honestly.
Yeah.
Alright, yes.
Nicole turns 18 Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
This Tuesday?
Yeah.
Oh, we got. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright, so then the next. I think the next one. How deep with questions do we want to get? Because we all know, like.
What color are your underwear? I'm just kidding.
Alright, guys, that was the video. I know it's a lot, but it gets really good. So we hope God, I can't talk. We hope you guys like the video. If you haven't got a chance, like it. We want to get up to at least 450 likes. Help.
He's asking for too much.
Smash the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe. Leave it in the comments for more content that you guys want to see. This
Make
is my
sure
big
you
old
turn on
family.
post notifications.
Post notifications. Yes, we'll shout you out almost
Thank
immediately.
you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Merch are coming. Merch is coming.
Oh.
So be on the lookout. Surprise, everybody.
What? That was a
Alright.
surprise to me. Like, we don't even have subscribers yet.
Until next time.
Bye.